students of class 3. Today we will start a new chapter, that is multiplication. Last year in class 2 you have done multiplication. Over there you have done 3-digit multiplication, 2-digit multiplication. So today we will start with the revision of the last year's syllabus first. Today we will do the multiplication by 2-digit number. So everyone open the book, exercise 6A. 4 sums we will do it for CW and 2 sums I will give it for homework. So everyone get ready with the book, exercise 6A and the math CW copy. So let us start the class. This is the first sum. We have to find the product of 64 by 45. So let us see how we are doing it. First we will write like this. 64 into 45. Done. Now first we will multiply the upper number by the ones place. Upper number into ones place, that is 5. So 5 fours are 20. Whenever 2 digit is coming, the ones place, that is 0, we will put here, and the tens place, that is 2, we will keep it for carry. Next 6 fives are 30 and this carry will be added. 30 plus 2, 32. Done. Now we will multiply by the tens place. 64 into 4. Now 4 fours are 16. Now before that, whenever we are moving from the ones place to the tens place, in the last place we will put 1 0 first. Whenever we are multiplying by 100 place, we will put 2 zeros. Whenever we are multiplying by 1000 place, we will put 3 zeros. In this way, it will continue. So now, we will start the multiplication of tens place. For that, we have put 1 0 at the end. Now, 4 fours are 16. 6 is the ones place that we will put, and 1 is the carry that we will write. Next, 6 fours are 24 plus 1 25. So we will write like this. Now after doing the multiplication, we will now add 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 3 8 and 2 will come down. So our answer is the product is 2880. Done. Now, if you have any confusion, now follow the next sum. And those who are clear with the conception, they can do it on their own. At the end, check the answer. Now, let us start number B. 58 into 72. First we will write 58 into 72. Now first we will multiply by the ones place. That means 58 into 2. 8 twos are 16. That is 6. That is ones place we will write, and the tens place we will be carry over. Next 5 into 2. 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. We will directly write as because there is no digit in front. Now we will multiply the tens place. Whenever we are multiplying the tens place, we will put 1 0 at the end. So 8 sevens are 56. 6 is the ones place that we will put, and 5 is the tens place that we will carry. Now 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. Now the multiplication is done. Now we will add. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. And 4 will come down. So, our answer we will write. The product is 4176. Clear? Let us move to the third sum. E. 94 into 89. First, we have to write in the proper order. Written. Now we will start the multiplication. 9 4s are 36. That means 6 will be here and 3 will be carried. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 3, 84. Done. Now the tens place, whenever tens place comes, we will put 1 0 at the end. Now 8 4s are 32. 2 will be down, 3 will be carried. 9 8s are 72 plus 3, 75. Now we will add. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 5, 13. That means 3 will be down, 1 will be carried, and finally 7 plus 1 is 8. So, our answer we will write. The product is 8366. Next sum, the last sum of today. Number F. 634 into 92. Let us first write in the proper order for doing the multiplication. Now start from the ones please. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Done. Now comes the tens place. I told you always write a 0 at the end. Now start. 9 4s are 36. That means 6 will be down, 3 will be carried. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. 0 will be down, 3 will be carried. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Now we will do the addition. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. That means 2 down, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 7 plus 1, 8. And 5 will directly come down. So, our answer will be the product is 58,328. Here we finish today's CW work. Now talking about the HW of today. HW will be exercise 6A, question number C and D. You have to do it in the math CW copy. After finishing this CW work, please do the 2 HW sums in the math CW copy. Okay. Now, CW and HW work is here. If you have any more query about any sum or regarding anything, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, do your sums and practice previous sums at home. Bye bye.